BHEL is an acronym that stands for Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, announces recruitment drives almost every year with the motive of selecting eligible and deserving candidates against vacant seats. Candidates willing to nurture their career with BHEL can fill up the form from February to March as expected month to fill online form every year. Candidate will be shortlisted for the exam on the basis of GATE score only. Candidates will be appearing in written test followed by an interview round. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Serene, and today we at Youth for Work will be discussing all the necessary details about the BHEL recruitment. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria of BHEL recruitment. Candidates should have cleared GATE exam with minimum qualifying marks required. Candidates will be shortlisted on the basis of the GATE score. Candidates must be graduates in mechanical engineering as well as electrical engineering. Upper age limit for candidates is 21 years. For graduates, upper age limit is 27 years. For postgraduates, upper age limit is 29 years. Now let's talk about the exam pattern of BHEL recruitment. Candidate will be appearing in written test followed by an interview round. Written test will be of 150 marks. A pair of hours will be provided to the candidate to complete the examination. Every question will carry 1 mark. Negative marking will be applicable. So, if you value the content of our video and find it relevant, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Pay attention on solving previous year GATE papers to improve your GATE score. Write and practice the formulas of every subject daily. There is negative marking in the exam, so try to attempt only those questions which you are sure of. Candidate should practice mock tests which will help in improving time management and identify weaknesses. For this purpose, I would recommend you the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work. The link of the app is given in the description below.